Hey boos, welcome back to my channel. So we'll be doing a spooky basket today, and look at my outfit before we start. Look at my Halloween shirt. Okay, so today I went to go see Halloween and it was 10 out of 10, so good, and there's a lot of gore in it, and you know, it was so good. I don't want to ruin it for y'all, but it was like 10 out of 10, so we're gonna see if we can watch it tonight. And I got some brownies, some chewy fudge brownies, so maybe I'll have it later tonight. But let me show you my outfit. I got my shirt on, so I represent, and then have my Halloween pants because you know I want to stay cozy, and it's Halloween month, so like why not wear my pajamas, or just probably just mainly my short, my girl can't even talk, my pants. So before we get into this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to turn on your bell notifications to be notified. Okay, I'm so excited. And I finally took off my nails. They needed to be grown out already. I mean, they're already grown out. 2 weeks, my nails grow out really fast, so I'm just letting them take a breath because they had acrylics back to back to back. So like, why not? Let's let them breathe a little bit. So I've been like buying little by little like Halloween little goodies. Today the baskets are like to anyone special, really. It doesn't matter like kind of the gender because they can both go to genders. Have a Halloween bucket, you know, the OG buckets. I couldn't find like the really OG round ones, you know, like the other ones, but this will do. I got this at Target and it was $1. So this is, you know, the staple of a spooky basket. So I was like, why not? Let me get one of these. And I have this basket. I use this one mainly for my mom. She doesn't know I'm making her a spooky basket. So I always use this basket for her, and it's so cute. All seasons, all occasions, because I don't want to keep like getting these and you know they just like sit there or be like thrown away. And I was like, why not? An idea, just you know, just get her like a wooden basket that I can use all the time for her. And it's super cute, and you can like put some goodies in here, and you can have like your scrunchies in here. I got this wall back at Target in the dollar section, so I really love it because it's like really wide. This basket, and I'm just so excited. The months are going by so fast, so you know I was like, why not let me do the video already so y'all can get an idea, you know, quick and easy, because you know we love that because sometimes we're always busy. And I'm always busy. Oh my god, I'm like dying. It's like so humid outside, and it gets dark late. Like now all of a sudden it's get darker around 5. Your girl had Whataburger. I'm so thirsty. Amazing. Ooh, let me check my phone real quick. It's 6:59 right now. I need to take a shower. I'm like exhausted. Okay, so first let me make my mom's basket. It's easier. So first off, don't forget a little basket. That's from Target. And from Dollar Tree, of course, the staple to every spooky basket. You always gotta have some type of spider webs. And these come with spiders, so it's like a bonus. So I definitely got white. They have many other colors, but I just go with the basic, you know, the traditional white. So to make it spooky, oh look at that, throw that on the floor. So I'm gonna take off the spiders and I'm gonna place them like however I want it. So I'm gonna place y'all at an angle so you can see what I'm doing and how it's turning out, because I don't want to talk and then be like this. So I'm gonna put y'all as an angle. Okay, so here's the basket and here are the webs. So I'm just gonna like kind of spread this open, and I'm just gonna put it in there like this, pretty much. Okay, so I finally fixed it. So I made it like this, very basic, and then I put the rest inside so I can give it some lift to any items I put in there. So that looks so nice. I love it. It looks very spooky. So the back's plain, but here it looks like very like, ooh. So in here, Miley wants to come in. So let's bring Miley right in. Miley. Come on. Okay. So I got my mom. So first off, from like Dollar Tree, I found this beauty blender travel case. and it's a pineapple, and she wanted this. I was like, okay, might as well go get it. It's $1, so she loves it. So I'm gonna put this in her basket, you know, something sweet and small to say thank you. And next, she loves, you know me, I love the Dollar Tree lashes, and my mom loves them too. So she picked these pair out, but she didn't know I got them for her. So they're like just the natural lashes. They're just natural wispies. So I'm just gonna place them. Oh, here. Okay, so I'm thinking these go in the back. Probably do it like that. I bought like a big pack of these, so I'm just gonna separate them and just put them here and there. And next, I did get her this hyaluronic acid hand cream, because you can never go wrong with hand cream. And this is just like the hydrating one, just a plain one. So I put that one, probably put it like that. And then next I got her this, what do you call this? It's like a cream stick, but you can use it as for lips, eyes, and cheek. And she really wanted this one, and it looks really pretty. And I got this at Target for $11.99, and I did get one too, but I got a different shade. So I got her this. She's been wanting this, so I was like, let me pick this up for her because I went to Target. So looks cute. Shoot, these little candies aren't staying. And next I got her the silicone travel straw, because you can never go wrong with this, because I got one and it's amazing. So I decided to get her one. Okay, now I don't even know where to put this. Okay, so now I'm gonna put the little spiders, because I did get her one more thing, but it's not gonna fit in this basket. So I think that looks cute. I won't be giving her this until Halloween, so I'll just put this basket in my closet somewhere, so she won't see it until Halloween. Okay, I think that looks super cute. Something cute and simple and small. I love it. And then the candies. Oh shoot, dang it. Well, it looks super cute, and I put some candy. I'll probably buy like some Snickers and throw them in there, because I didn't get her favorite candy. It's Snickers. So besides that, show you the last present I got. Guys, I got her some Vans. She's never had Vans before, and she's been wanting Vans for a very long time. So I ordered her some Vans. She's been wanting the white slip-ons for a very long time. So I got her these white Vans, and I don't even have a pair, and they look so nice. But yeah, I did get her some Vans. They came in the box, and the box has a new packaging too. Yeah, but this is the new box. So I did get her some Vans, and just her little basket's ready to go. So I'll just like surprise her like this, and it looks so cute. Okay, so let's make the special someone basket. Okay, so let's make the basket. So first off, let me get the little webs, the basics. So I did get the webs for this too. So take out the little spiders. That's cute. Little spiders that come with it. Oh shoot, oh shoot. They all fell down. Okay, one fell. So I'm just gonna open it. Oh. Yeah, what happened? Okay, so I'm just gonna dump it in there. And then I'm just gonna like kind of spread it around. Okay, so I put this one together. And first off, I got some blueberry cotton candy, because you know, cotton candy is a must. And this one, I think it's like grape or something. So I'm just gonna like try to put this in there. Maybe it might be at the bottom because it's pretty big. And next, I did get this mug treat hot fudge brownie. you know I had to get this because this is like a staple, you know, just a quick and easy for that special someone and get them a little quick mug treat. I think that's like a staple because, you know, even if you're watching a movie or something, you like have your little mugs. You can both be eating hot fudge brownies, watching a scary movie, having that popcorn. Period. As I go, I feel like next later in a little bit after I'm done with this and take a shower, then that'll be my special moment. Next, I got these sweetheart ropes. Just something I saw and I'm like, why not? Let me get these. And whoever will try them will tell me if they're good or not. Oh, this is hard. I don't even know how I'm gonna decorate this. So I'm gonna tell you what I got. So next, I got the Wildberry Skittles, Sour Patch watermelons, some peanut butter M&Ms, and the Oreo 4-pack cookies. So I'm gonna open this up and like spread it around. And then, like I said, I bought a big pack of the Reese's Pieces cups, and I'm gonna put 3 in there. I got a body wash. It's Ocean. You know, I love this scent. I'll even use this for myself. So it's a great smell, you know, to whoever. So I just picked up this. And I believe that is all. So now I'm gonna like decorate it and let's see how this goes. I am gonna get like a gift card. I think I'm gonna get like a Chick-fil-A gift card just to throw in there, so you know it's a quick, easy idea just to give. So I'm definitely gonna get a gift card. Like, see, I keep forgetting like things. Like when I'm doing it, I'm like, I forgot to get this. I needed that. Like Chick-fil-A gift card in here, and it's super cute. So let me show y'all the basket. Okay, boo. So here is the finished look. So this is basket number 1. It has the cute little girly items. Like I said, I'm gonna put some Snickers in there. I'll be the cherry on top. Just not too much, but yeah, that's like a cute little Halloween spooky basket to give to a girl, you know, something simple and cute. And she got the fans, so a little bonus. Okay, so here's the second basket. It has all the nice goodies. It has sweetheart ropes in there. You can hardly see. Oh, look, I picked it up. But yeah, they got the spiders going on, spooky vibes. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna get a gift card for this basket. It'll be all completed. I love it, and this basket is so cute. Like, I would totally be so happy if I got these baskets. So boos, I hope you guys enjoyed my little DIY spooky basket. I love making these. They're super fun to make, and to make for other people, it's like, oh, my favorite, because I like to decorate and like put things together. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you haven't already, watch my recent videos. And yeah, boos, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.